What's the most used tool in the kitchen? A knife, right? So let's talk knife skills. You shouldn't hold it like this. You shouldn't have a finger on the spine. You should actually pinch that blade. So your thumb is on the steel on one side, your pointing finger, index finger on the other side. And there's 3 fingers loosely around the handle, making that blade an extension of your arm. The ZWILLING Pro curved bolster design makes that you're gonna get the most ergonomic grip possible. So let me show you the basic circular rocking motion. The tip of your knife is always down. Your handle is up. You're gonna start up. You're gonna drop your blade until your heel is touching your cutting board. You're gonna move forward. So we're cutting on the push, on the forwards motion. You're gonna lift your blade, move it back, and drop it again. So it should feel like a locomotive. So why do we wanna make this forwards motion? I have a sharp knife and soft celery. I can also just drop it straight down. But then I've been using a little over 1/4 inch of an 8-inch blade. If I move my blade forwards while dropping it down, I at least doubled, but most likely tripled the used length of this blade. Using a longer part of your knife will make cutting easier. So now let's cut some celery. Place your celery stick in a 45-degree angle. Same thing with your knife. That allows you to align your shoulders with your countertop. We're gonna use the back part of our blade. We're gonna start up. We're gonna drop, push, lift it, and start over. So my left hand is like a claw, a spider. My thumb, my pinky are always behind my front 3 fingers. My nails are facing backwards. This is gonna give me more control. I'm actually gonna touch my middle knuckle all the time. This way you're gonna have control over the thickness. It also makes it safe. You can't cut yourself anymore. So you're using a sharp knife. It's super important not to use any power or pressure. The only thing the knife wants to do if you are applying pressure towards your cutting board is eat into that board, and you should actually allow the knife to cut. When you need to move produce on your board, make sure to use the spine side of your knife. If you only want to buy one knife, start with a chef's knife. This knife is used like 85% of the time for all your prep work. Your celery, your carrots, your leek, your onions, your herbs. You need a serrated blade for anything hard on the outside, soft on the inside, like tomatoes, citrus fruit, bell peppers, eggplant, of course your crusty bread, but even pineapple and watermelons. And finally, a paring knife. You want to avoid using this one on a cutting board. This one is actually for handheld work. So cleaning your fruits, your ginger, your garlic, your turmeric. And there you have it, the 3 essential knives for your kitchen. Head to ZWILLING.com to learn more.